video. I am Shifa Cyclewala, the founder of Hacktify Cybersecurity. So we have got again an opportunity for you to intern with us in Jan 2021. So last time we had around 1000 interns. With this overwhelming response, I would like to thank each and everyone who have applied for this internship and make it a huge success. So thank you so much for enrolling and applying for our internship programs as well as to all our courses. You have showed a lot of support and love. So first of all, I would like to congratulate to all the 1000 candidates who have applied to our internship, and some of them are still ongoing with the internship and are gonna complete their internship in next few weeks. So after they complete their internship, we have got another opportunity for the next people. So yes, next candidates can apply for the new internship program in Jan 2021. So it's gonna start from 18th Jan. The application ends on 31st December. So you have to make sure that you submit your internship application form before 31st of December. So where is this form hosted? What I'm talking about. So the form is hosted on the website intern.hacktify.virtuallytesting.com. I will be adding this link into the description, so you can easily get that link and submit the form. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is the eligibility criteria for this internship. So who can apply for this internship? So everyone who is curious enough can apply for this internship. We do not have any bar for this internship. That means, oh yes, we do have a bar. You should be 12th pass. Once you complete your 12th standard, that is the mandatory thing right here, and then you can apply for this program. It's okay if you are just 12th pass. It's okay if you have completed your engineering and want to go ahead with this internship. It's okay if you have some years of experience and want to switch your career into networking and cloud. We do welcome each and every type of people who wanna apply and learn from this program. Okay, so I have talked about how to apply. So intern.hacktify.virtuallytesting.com, who can apply? The one who have completed 12th or more can apply for this internship. Now the third question should be, why to apply for this internship? This internship is not like an ordinary internship which will give you a lot of work burden and you have to do it anyways. This is not like that. We teach you during the internship, we challenge you during the internship, we assign you some task during the internship, and we make you perform some labs and solve it according to you with this internship. So we have got this opportunity for you. We don't expect you to have a lot of knowledge about networking and cloud. We are fine if you don't know anything about it. You can still apply. After your application has been submitted, our team will send you the acknowledgement. We know a lot of companies have criteria that you should have some internship or maybe some hands-on experience with labs and tools before you get into the job. So we were thinking long back what to do with that criteria. A lot of my students to whom I know personally were not getting the opportunity for this reason. So we have tried to get this platform to all the candidates who are eligible and who are curious enough to get into the job can take experience with this internship. So this internship is 10-week long. All the 10 weeks are divided into parts. So first week has separate things to do. So once you complete your first week, the things and the task assigned to you are been submitted from your end, then only you are allowed to sit into the second part or the second week of the internship. If you fail to submit the first assigned task to you, you will be removed automatically from this program. So the candidate who complete all the week's assigned task will go till the end. At the end of the internship, he or she will be acknowledged and awarded with a certificate. Yes, this is an opportunity and we make sure that you timely complete your task. We and our team is very strict about this task completion. If you fail to do so, you will be out of the internship. So make sure that you complete the task on time, submit it on time, otherwise you will be removed. Okay, so the mode of internship will be online, as well as we give you the flexibility that the intern should spend 10 hours per week for the internship. That means we will assign you some task which you will be able to complete it in 10 hours. It doesn't matter, you complete it anyways you want. If you are a working professional and if you want to do this internship, so there are chances that you won't be available on weekdays, but you are available on weekends. So what you can do is you can take out 5 hours a day on Saturday, 5 hours a day on Sunday, and you can complete this internship program. So each one can complete this internship according to their convenience. So this is what the advantage of this internship is, because we want each and everyone to take out time for themselves to learn some new skills and to implement it. I hope this video clears some of your doubts. I won't say all of your doubts because I know there is a lot more to share. I don't know what questions you have. So, what all extra questions you have, you can always comment it down below. And I will be happy to answer. If you have any other doubts, you can just drop it down below. And keep our channel subscribed, because we'll be coming up with more giveaways, opportunities, and do suggest us about more things, we'll try to get it for you. So thank you so much for keeping it connected. Thank you.